Today, while I was driving through Colchester, UK, so I came across a peaceful protest against racism. I felt I could not just drive past without stopping, so I decided to record this video and share this important message. First of all, I want to pay my sincere respect to everyone who took part in this protest. Thank you for standing up for equality, justice, and respect. I fully support this positive message. We live in UK, and one of their country great strengths is that the law is the same for everyone's person living here, regardless of their races, nationality, religion, language, or background, deserve to be treated with dignity, fairness, and respect. No one should be judged because of the color of their skin, where they come from, and whatever your belief. Everyone who live in UK has equal rights under the law and deserve to feel safe and respected. We may come from different countries and culture, but we all share one thing: we are human beings. That is what should bring us together, not divides us. Whenever we see discrimination or injustice, we should stand for a fairness and respect and the rule of law. This is how we should strong, safer, and a more united community. I hope message like continue to spread. Together we can promote peace, equality, mutual respect, and stands against racism whenever it's exit. Thank